What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's not Monday, but it's summertime now, and in the summer, since I'm going to Europe next week, I'm going to be uploading at least 2 or 3 videos every week. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned because it's going to be a crazy summer ahead. Also, no specific days for each of the video releases. It'll just be like kind of random throughout the week, so turn those notifications on. That way you guys won't miss anything. But today we're here at ESC and they got a brand new setup. And I just went out there and had a good time learning some fun hits. I wasn't planning to film a YouTube video today, but I just had the idea to why not do like a behind the scenes of what it's like when I film one of my Insta edits. So I got about 7 or 8 hits I want to film for Instagram, probably 2 separate edits. And you guys will kind of see the behind the scenes of all those tricks and no. Alright, I guess that's enough talking. John made me shut up, so I'll see you guys on the water.
I see you guys on the water. See you.
And boys, I'm not the only one who's filming an Insta edit today. Haruto is also filming something. How many tricks you want?
Maybe 3 or 4.
3 or 4 tricks. Yeah. 7 tricks for me. John, how many tricks for you?
Maybe like 3, 4, the same.
Okay, 6. So you guys are gonna see the process of all our Instagram edits and what goes into making a little reel.
Okay.
Damn, boys, I'll be honest, it doesn't go that easy usually. We got everything almost first try, but I mean, usually I'm spending like 40 minutes on this and we just busted the whole thing out in like 10 minutes, but now it's Haruto's turn. He's got 4 hits to film for his Instagram. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, see you on the water. Woo! Oh! Yee-hoo! Woo! Whoa! Yay! Woo! Fuck yeah. Boys, so Haruto got his clips, I got my clips, and now it's time to get John's clips. He's usually the one filming me with the drone, but today I'm filming him with the GoPro. Woo! Hey!
What's up, bro?
Oh! Man, this is 228. No! Woo, 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 woo.
228. 228. 228.
Oh! Oh!
Like, actually, I was trying to pop, but
Didn't work, huh?
didn't work.
Didn't work very good.
It's like maybe it was not enough speed.
Let's try again.
Yeah, let's try again.
Let's go. Whoops. All right, boys, that's a wrap. That's pretty much what an average day looks like when me and the homies go check out a new cable park. We just go out, figure out all the lines we want to get, all the fun lines there are to do in the park, and then we go out and film them. And then once they're filmed, we go home. Now that I do YouTube, I'll usually take the whole YouTube video, like edit the whole thing, and then pick out all the best hits. So like, for example, there you had all the mess around hits on the rainbow, which will be one Instagram reel, and then all the more serious wakeboard tricks will be another Instagram reel. So you guys will probably see the funny wakeboard tricks on that rainbow drop yesterday on my Instagram, and then sometime maybe Sunday or Monday next week will be when the more serious tricks drop. So yeah, it was a good day. We got a YouTube video done and 2 Instagram reels, so that's how I get all my content for my socials. So yeah, boys, if you guys liked this video today, let me know in the comments, because when I go to Europe next month for the next month and a half, I'll be going to so many cable parks there, and if there are any cool ones, then I'd definitely be down to film another video like today, kind of just a raw session of the day of everyone getting their clips for Instagram. Not too much talking in lifestyle, just some wakeboarding. So if you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comments, and if not, I'll see you guys on Monday with a banger video. We put Chi-Chi on a wakeboard and Chi-Chi went wakeboarding. It's gonna be insane, so tune in for this Monday, and then the next video after this Monday will be my first video from the Euro tour. So it's gonna be good, so subscribe, stay tuned, boys. I'm hyped. This YouTube journey has been so much fun, and I'm loving making videos for you guys, and it's not going to stop. It's only going to get better from here, boys. So I'll see you guys on Monday with another banger. Thanks for watching, boys.
See you Monday.